Another element I should add to the scene to be able to properly simulate the machine and the environment is my material table. So here I'm going to go in and add the material table to the scene definition. I'm going to do that by going under the simulation section and double-clicking on material table. That creates a new item that I can use to point to the material table file that I've created or that I've been using to create the mechanism. So here I'm going to browse and I'm going to find under scenario forklift scene under the Vortex samples a file called forklift in warehouse material. So I can select that file and now I should be ready to start running the simulation. I'll just come in here and hit the play button, and now we're going to see that the vehicle is being simulated inside of the environment. Now this is the fully realized version of the forklift from the samples, so we can see that it has its own light associated to it. We're also using the Vortex Human module to be able to add a little character to this vehicle, and as I go and use my joystick here, I'm going to see that I'm able to control the vehicle and maneuver it here within the environment. If we take a look at a more complex scene, I've already opened here the defense vehicle scene that's part of the samples with Vortex Studio. And so taking a look at this scene, I can see that it's a test terrain that has many different types of terrains. So we'll have here muddy terrain, sand, gravel, road, icy roads. So all of these are going to be specified inside of the material configuration mapping for the environment. If I open up the scene here inside of the Explorer, I'll see that I have a terrain node which contains the triangle mesh terrain. If I click on this element, right click, and choose edit, I'll see that I'm going to have a great listing here of different rules on how the materials should be applied to this terrain. We do have a default material, just like we saw before, of type grass, but then afterwards anything that's of type rocks in the node names is going to become a road. Anything of type obstacle sandhill will be made of sand. So it's possible then to create a large number of different rules. Now of course you can use wildcards in these rules as specified in regular expression syntax, but it's also possible to specify exact names of nodes that you want to convert over to specific materials.